morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the rest and motion. Rest, whenever a body is not changing its position, we can say body is in rest. Whenever change is taking place in the position of the body, we can say body is in motion. In another case, we can understand a body is said to be at rest if its position does not change with respect to its immediate surrounding. A term came immediate surrounding, means if we will consider a house, what is the in immediate surrounding of the house? This tree. So after 1 year also the immediate surrounding of this house will not change. After 2 years also this will not change. We can say these are in rest. In the other case, if we will take example, suppose a bicycle is standing here. Today bicycle is standing here, but next day the bicycle will move and will stand here. We can say at that moment the body is in motion. So how we can define motion? A body is said to be in motion if its position continuously changes with respect to its immediate surrounding. The term immediate surrounding is just explaining the motion and the rest. When immediate surroundings are changing, body is in motion. When immediate surroundings are not changing, we can say body is in rest position. We can differentiate the rest and motion in such a way: our body is said to be in rest if its position does not change with respect to a fixed points of its surroundings or immediate surrounding, like a table lying on the table. A book lying on the table is in rest, and the bench fixed on a park is also in rest position because no changes are taking place. But in the case of motion, a body is said to be in motion if its position continuously change with respect to its surroundings change with time. We can say like a flying bird changing the immediate surrounding. So that is why this is in motion. A boy playing football, here also changes are taking place, and that is why we can say these objects are in motion. State of rest and motion of the body relative of each other. They both are relative to each other. One example we can say, suppose a person is sitting in a bus and moving. At that time person is in the rest position, but bus is in the motion form, in the moving position. So rest and both motion, both are in the relative of each other. They both are relative term. Okay, thank you.